Do you struggle to wake up early in the morning? Ah, the age-old battle with the alarm clock. It's a struggle that many of us know all too well. But have you ever considered the benefits of greeting the dawn? Let's delve into that a little. Early risers often find themselves at the advantage. They're given the gift of time to prepare for the day, time for self-care, and time to simply breathe before the world wakes up. Not to mention, the quiet solitude of the early morning can be a perfect environment for productivity, allowing you to get a head start on your tasks. But we know the struggle is real. It's tough to break the cozy embrace of your bed, especially when it's still dark out. However, waking up early is a habit that can be developed, and we will show you how. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Scene script. First, understand the power of your mindset. Dawn is breaking, the world is still quiet, and the day is fresh with possibilities. Not a fan of early mornings? Well, let's think about that for a moment. What if I told you that your mindset could be the key to unlocking a love for the early hours of the day? Mindset is a powerful thing. It shapes our reality, influencing how we perceive the world around us and our place within it. Our attitudes, beliefs, and expectations are all components of our mindset, and these elements can either propel us forward or hold us back. Now let's apply this to waking up early. If you view it as a chore, a burden, something to be endured rather than enjoyed, then that's likely how it will feel. But what if you could change that perception? Consider this. Waking up early isn't a punishment, it's a privilege. It's an opportunity to start your day on your terms, to carve out a slice of time for yourself before the rest of the world wakes up. It's a chance to set the tone for the day, to prioritize your needs and goals. To shift your mindset, try using affirmations and positive thinking exercises. When your alarm goes off in the morning, instead of groaning and hitting snooze, tell yourself, I am excited to start my day. I am grateful for this time to myself. I am ready to seize the day. Visualize your morning going smoothly. Picture yourself waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Repeat these affirmations to yourself. Believe in them. Make them your truth. You see, mindset isn't just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about believing them, living them. It's about changing the narrative in your head from I have to wake up early to I get to wake up early. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Now let's move on to some practical tips to help you wake up early. First off, it's all about consistency. Establish a regular sleep schedule and stick to it. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier for you to rise and shine each morning. The goal here is to create a rhythm that your body can get accustomed to. Next, let's address distractions. In this digital age, distractions are everywhere. It's essential to eliminate these as much as possible before bedtime. Start with your phone. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your sleep. So consider setting a digital curfew at least an hour before you plan to hit the sack. If that's not possible, switch your devices to night mode to reduce exposure to blue light. Also, make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Use earplugs or a white noise machine if you need to drown out noise. And consider investing in blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. Now let's talk about good sleep hygiene. This involves creating a pre-sleep routine to help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness exercises like meditation or deep breathing. Another vital part of sleep hygiene is what you do in your bed. Your bed should only be used for sleep and intimate activities. This helps your brain associate your bed with sleep, making it easier for you to drift off when you climb in at night. And lastly, don't forget about the power of napping. While it's important not to overdo it, a short power nap in the afternoon can help recharge your batteries without disrupting your nighttime sleep. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, it's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. With these practical tips, you can make waking up early a part of your daily routine. Your lifestyle choices, including diet and exercise, can significantly impact your sleep patterns. This truth is often overlooked. but it's vital to understand if you're trying to become an early riser. Eating a balanced diet plays a crucial role in improving your sleep quality. What you put into your body affects how well you sleep and how easily you wake up. Consuming too much caffeine or sugar, especially in the evening, can make it much harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. On the other hand, certain foods can promote better sleep. For example, almonds and cherries are rich in melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. A small snack of these before bed could potentially help you drift off more easily. Regular exercise is another lifestyle choice that can significantly impact your sleep. Working out, particularly in the morning, can help reset your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up in the morning. Exercise also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which are common culprits of poor sleep. Simple exercises like walking, jogging, or even a short yoga session can work wonders for your sleep quality. But remember, timing is key. Try to avoid heavy meals and vigorous exercise close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep. Aim to finish eating and exercising at least 3 hours before you plan to go to bed. Incorporating these healthy habits into your lifestyle may not be easy at first. It takes time and consistency. Start small, perhaps by swapping your late-night sugary snack for a handful of almonds or cherries. Gradually incorporate more changes as you get comfortable with the new routine. It's also important to note that everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Living a healthy lifestyle not only improves your overall health, but also makes waking up early a breeze. So, take control of your lifestyle choices and let them guide you towards becoming the early riser you aspire to be. In conclusion, waking up early doesn't have to be a struggle. We've navigated through the power of mindset, understanding that your perspective plays a significant role in how you approach the day. Remember, it's not about forcing yourself out of bed, but about embracing the value of the early hours and the potential they hold. We also delved into some practical tips. Setting a consistent bedtime, using an alarm clock instead of your phone, and gradually adjusting your wake-up time are just a few strategies that can make a big difference. And let's not forget the role of diet and exercise. A balanced diet and regular physical activity not only improve your overall health, but also contribute to better sleep quality. They can make waking up early less of a challenge and more of a natural part of your routine. With these tips, you can become an early riser and enjoy the benefits that come with it. Good luck on your journey to becoming an early